Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at exporting our print jobs or print report jobs to the CSV file format, also known as comma separated values. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, in today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the third section or export option, and that will be the CSV file format. So if we go here to print with our project open, obviously, leave our client and job information the same. And then what we want to do is go to the first button, export report, and then from obviously navigate to where you want it to export to. I'm going to just name this to CSV. Yeah, sorry, gets a bit confusing. There's a bit of a tongue twister, that one. And I'm going to select it here. And then yeah, this format is it's popular for being separating all your values with commas. And yeah, I don't know, it's not much to say about it. Like I said, the CSV, it stands for comma separated values. And yeah, it is a very simple format from the ones we are covering. Obviously you need something relevant so that can read it. So as you can see, I've already got it there, so I'm just going to save it and then we have a quick look at it. Say okay, close here, and then I'm going to go here to the actual CSV file. Now by default mine opens it with Excel or Microsoft Excel, but I'm rather going to open it with Notepad just so we can see better. Makes a bit more sense looking at it with something like Notepad. So now if I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can just see a bit better what's happening. Now as you can see, all the values are here in little strings and then they are separated by commas. So everything that has got its own kind of value is a string, and as you can see, this URL, it's quite a long one, but the whole thing is contained within a string and then separated by a comma. And this is what makes it unique, is that every value is separated here with a comma. So it's pretty much this format, the CSV file format. It's, like I say, very simple, text-based, so it doesn't save any images like the PDF and so forth. So I would definitely not recommend sending this to a client unless he actually requests it, but otherwise a PDF is good. But when it comes to file size, as we had to look here on the right, you can see the PDF is 126 KB where the CSV is only 1 KB, so that's quite impressive. But yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.